everyone. In this video I'll be sharing with you this intense fat burning juice that shrinks, melts and dissolves belly fat so you can easily flaunt your belly without feeling insecure. Like, this dissolves that belly fat. You never experienced belly fat like before. I used to have a very big belly, but now I can easily flaunt my belly without feeling insecure. Voila. So in order to come up with this intense fat burning juice to melt, dissolve and get rid of that stubborn belly fat, the first ingredient I'll be using will be lemons. So I'll be using 2 lemons for this recipe. Lemons are very good as they help prevent the accumulation of fat in your system. It dissolves bad cholesterol, cleanses and flushes out excess cholesterol, making you always have belly fat or even falling sick as well. It cleanses, help your system to flush out bad fats from your system so you can get back in shape, most especially belly fat. It helps boost your metabolism so you can easily break down metabolized food without food store up causing belly fat and weight gain. So this is a secret if you want to always maintain a flat belly. Fall in love with lemon because it prevents fat accumulation. That way you hardly even experience that belly fat before struggling to melt it or dissolve the belly fat. So this recipe is very important if you're looking to maintain that flat belly or dissolve belly fat. Next ingredient I'll be adding will be grapefruit. So if you don't eat grapefruit or you can't lay your hands on grapefruit, you can use 3 lemons. So 3 lemons will be fine because this is kind of an intense lemonade. But I want to add in some grapefruit because it is fat burning as well. Plus it brings in some flavor to this recipe and it has that kind of beautiful taste to your juice. You don't want your juice really boring. You want to make it kind of a cocktail. Plus lemons, grapefruits are very good at preventing fat accumulation as well, dissolving fats from the system, boosting your metabolism as well so you can easily break down food without food store up, causing belly fat and weight gain. So you can always substitute the grapefruit with lemon, with 1 more lemon. So if you're using just lemons, you use 3 lemons, but if you're using lemon and grapefruit, you use 2 lemons and 1 grapefruit. So this is the juice. You want to achieve the juice out of this and kind of pour it in a cup to add in your other ingredient later. So just watch the procedure as I come up with this recipe. It is very intense. If you have that stubborn resistant belly fat, you want to try this recipe to help you melt and flush out, remove that stubborn fat for you. So this is it. This is the, I will be using the pulp, so you don't want to throw your pulp. Just watch what I will do. The next ingredient I will be adding in here, which is a very powerful fat burner as well, is berries. So I'll be adding strawberries. This has, you can use 8 to 10 strawberries. This is very good as it is a very powerful antioxidant to have your heart and your liver so active for you. So your liver is in good state to flush out all the excess fats, waste from your system. Plus, this contains a lot of good acids to help flush bad acids from your system. Berries are very good. They are very good fat burning ingredient. Plus, as it clears out the fats from your system, it gives you that healthy glow to your skin. Plus, this tastes so yummy in the mouth as well. So you want to get your 8 to 10 strawberries and wash thoroughly. If you haven't watched the video I shared how to wash your fruits, you can ask me to link you up because I don't want to show you in each video how I thoroughly clean my fruits. When I get back from the market, I wash my fruits thoroughly before storing in the refrigerator with some natural cleaners in the kitchen. So if you want to learn how to wash your fruits thoroughly, ask me and I will link you up. But these are thoroughly clean and you want to slice into these good sizes that you can easily like achieve the juice out of it from a clean fruit. So this is it. This is the second or third ingredient if you're using grapefruit. So these are my sliced berries. 8 to 10 berries will just be fine for this recipe. I will be adding in some honey. Honey is very good to bring down a little bit of the acidity from the lemons and even the berries, grapefruit. Everything here has some acids that you want to add in a little bit of honey to bring down the acids and even though the good acids will still be there, but you don't want this too acidic plus. Honey helps to give you energy to be able to burn fats. It gives you good energy. It is that good sugar your system needs to give you energy. Yeah, so this is 1 tablespoon of honey I'll be adding in here. It is kind of a strawberry lemonade strawberry lemonade recipe I'm sharing with you. Very good for fat burning. And I'll be adding in some water. I'll be adding in some water in here, and I'll be adding in 2 cups of fresh clean water to achieve this juice of today. So the first thing you want to do, watch the steps please. You want to first of all put your berries in your blender and your 1 tablespoon of honey. That is the first thing you want to do. You don't want to put in the juice of your lemon and grapefruit now. You want to first of all add in your 2 cups of water in your grapefruit and honey and blend. When you blend and you get a very smooth consistency, because you don't want to put in a lot of water here, otherwise you face difficulties blending the strawberries. So you want to blend to have it smooth before you can add in the juice you achieve from your lemon and grapefruit. So you see it is smooth now. This is when I'm adding the juice to kind of just mix everything together. So you want to add in your juice now. As you can see, it is so smooth now because you blended your strawberry and had it smooth before you add in the juice from your lime and grapefruit. So you just need to blend till you get that smooth kind of juicy smoothie kind of consistency. Because remember, everything is whole here. We are not using a sieve. This is kind of a thick juice, a very rich thick juice with the pulp and everything. So all those benefits get into your system. Yeah, so this is enough for you to even share with your friend or your husband. This extra cup you can share with your friend, your husband, but these 2 cups are for you. You can share the 3rd cup with whoever you have at home struggling with belly fat as well, or you can consume everything. If you have that very stubborn belly fat that is so resistant, like, just consume everything. Yeah, this would help to melt, dissolve, and get rid of that stubborn fat for you, so you can always flaunt your belly. You saw my pictures at the beginning of the video. That is how my belly is always down, because of this my recipes I share with you here all the time. This prevents you from even having that big belly. My belly used to be so big, you saw from the picture I shared with you. Ever since I started these recipes, I don't have that kind of chunky, big, boring belly again that prevents you from wearing certain clothes. And I stay in shape, not just staying in shape, but good health as well. Because if you gain a lot of weight, that is how you end up with cholesterol issues leading to high blood, hypertension, obesity, which leads to hypertension, diabetes. Like, all the health complications we suffer from is because of our poor eating habits. We eat heavy carbs, bad processed carbs, which store up, cause belly fat, cause, like, leaves in a lot of cholesterol in our system. But if you start consuming juices like this to help prevent and get rid of bad cholesterol in your system, bad fats in your system, trust me, you will always be free from cholesterol issues, high blood, hypertension, diabetes. Like, you always stay healthy with good size, good healthy weight, without being obese, having all those health complications. So yeah, that is the recipe for today to help you stay in shape without belly fat. I hope someone finds this video helpful, and I know for sure you will love it. Don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.